Bekunomhlangano phakathi kaKhuzani ney'nduna zama-branch nawo wonke-ke ama-leader akhona kwaGoqa ngokuhlukana kwawo. Kulo mhlangano lo kuningi okukhulunyiwe okuphakamisiwe, siye sawabona amavidiyo. Kunenye i-comment or umbono obekwe enye insizwa laphana uMshizana, omunye umlandeli wagoGoqa omkhulu. Sacela sizwe le video ukuthi ubeke wathini uMshizana.
Angigadla ngisho ukuthi ngithini. Kodwa mfowethu ngoba usubadedelile ke mfowethu kule competition. Ngokuzayo mfowethu ungaphindi nje ubadedele. Abantu baningi bayidinga competition. Bakhala kakhulu inqwaba futhi yayidinga competition. So ngiyacela mfowethu ukuthi kulama ama competition azolandela. Shona khona mfowethu. Nawe umculi angingadajukela abantu abajiya kusasa bengakwenzi umuntu. Ngiyabonga.
Ungaphindi uhoxe Khuba.
Siyamuzwa umfowethu kaMshizana laphana elinye ibhuleshini lokuqina elimthanda kakhulu uKhuzani. Umuntu nje obe proud emlandela wayo yonke indlela. Namavidiyo wakhe akhona ngo-2019 lapho phakathi kunemusa uSmabhida khona. Yayihlelo uKhuzani na ebambisene nabo. Kodwa ke engifuna ukukhuluma ngakho umbono wakhe omuhle kakhulu. Kuyiqiniso mafethu ukuthi uKhuzani wathi kuphumula kancane. Wathi ukukhoxa ngoba kwaba nenkinga ezinkulu especially lengoma yonyaka ethi umjolo loyo. Asethi ke uzomemezela if esebuya. Mina ngizolikhuluma ngoba lijalo iqiniso. Ngiyazi ukuthi vele abanye emakhuluma emakhonini bayasaba ukuphumela obala, bayibeka into le abacabangayo ukuthi iyona. Ukuma kaKhuzani ukungenela eminye imincintiswano kwangijabulisa kakhulu lokho. Isinqumo lesi esanginika ukuphefumula nokuthola enhlizweni ukuthi akakathi vele ezinye zezinto okuyihlehlela kancane because ukukhuluma okule ndima okukhulu kakhulu and futhi awuzukuqede angeke uzukulawule futhi awazi ukuthi kuyophela nini. As much as abantu bemthanda uKhuzani befisa ukuthi aphumelele, mina angifisi ukuthi kube nezinto ezomenza acokofule igama lakhe lidonseleke phansi. Kuyomele nikhulume iqiniso kuyo umfowethu kaMpungose nimtshele nje into eyiyona yona. Akusamele angenelele noma imaphi ama-awards or imincintiswano. Eminye imincintiswano especially aseyiwinile akusenasidingo ukuthi ayingenelele. Lento ukuthi abantu uma bewina bazonichomela angazi ukuthi leyo logic kunani uma benichomela. Into nje ngokukhupha nezakho is fine. Kungadedela abanye noma athi hayi for the next 2 years angingeneli kungena abanye abantu. Makuyimpucuzeko kunento ethize especially naye yabo ngingalokho nifuna ukumfaka nimfake ngekhanda ngoba nizoze nimbangele amazondo angempela serious wamazondo. Yibo lonto le. So ningathathi ukufuna ukuphumelela nanokufuna ukuba ngaphambili kwabanye abantu ukuthi bazonichomela. Bazosichoma mabengawina laba ngasichomela. Lo nto leyo ayisho lutho. I-mental health kaKhuzani ibalekile. Inhlala kahle yakhe ukuphatheka kahle kwakhe kubalekile. So nina uma lokhu nibhizi nimfake into hayi ngelela qhawe. Ngikhumbula 2023 umjolo as much as ama radiation ayichoma kodwa wafakeka ngekhanda ukuthi awu-release aphuma umjolo wangena wawina waproveka ipoint yokuthi ama-Blue Nation anamandla. Yes kwaproveka but what about i-mental health kaKhuzani after that? January nje kwaku-right in January ebamba loya life loya explain i-situation uwinile explain what is that uchazela abantu ukuthi uwinile because kunezinto okumele ubone ukuthi la let me step back a little bit. Hayi ngoba usuke wesaba, hayi ngoba kusuke kunani. It because as umuntu uyarealize ukuthi okay la hayi yithi ngibuye eceleni ngizobuya senginamandla. It's okay but abalandeli balento ukuphusha umuntu bemphusha namageje ezengena ngo-2020 kwakuyilo nto le ayifakela ukuthini amageja kwasuka omkhulu ngithi lezi zinto zokuthi kamaka kuba mnandi umuntu masethuka akubi mnandi sekukhulunywa izinto ngayo umuntu so musani ukubangela okhuzana okukhulu noma isidingo singekho ngoba anitholakala uma esethuka iya kuye ukhuzana lento mayithuka ungaphatheki kahle kuba kuye bemhlazi usuku lonke ekukhulunywa ngayo iviki nesidwiki uyena khuzane leso unomona sebemthola imchofu besho wonke amagama mina ngithi ukhuzana lapha khona kuhle ukuthi abheke ukuthi imicimbi ihamba kanjani yiphi afuna ukuyingenela yes bekukuhle nakwi in mother of all bekukuhle but there's no need njengamanje ukhuzana sena kun award enkulu yaka umhlobo wenene umaskandi okuqala must take a win and move on uma nginento evelayo abake bangene nabethole baningi abaculi so kuyomele sikucabange lokho sikuconsider ukuthi okay as much as kufunakala lonto lothi yenzeke kodwa it is not worth it in a long run izomakhela yiphi legacy so abantu kumele bekucabange lokho befuna ingqondo abantu beke ngama emotions okufavor umuntu iprofile yakhuzana enkulu kakhulu akasawadinga ama-awards amakhulu amaningi udinga la ama-special awards Sama isese-right best maskandi album best male artist those awards are still okay if you nominate kuma-Satma best album best artist best song you understand right Satma Sama ku-right Metro right lo ma-awards la uma kunama-awards athize mhlawumbe abantu bangawazi kahle akhona kodwa bayangena oBiggs nobani bani right lo ma-awards lawo but okhuphuka nezakho mother of all maskandi there's no need at all because vele usekwawinile okhuphuka nezakho i-mother of all ifike vele seyihambe kakhulu nempilo akusase kubenefita abanye abafana so lento ukuthi nithi angenele kwasani mina ngiphasisa ngiyimi nje ngingedwa ngiyazi ukuthi nina niyasaba ukusho lokho because iqhawe niyalifonela no WhatsApp ngincanga ukuthi iqhawe nganiblock ngoba nikhuluma iqiniso into eyona yona mina ngizoyiba nje obinjalo akukho right ukuthi wangela wonke lawo ma-awards there's no need kunama-awards abafana kusamele bekhuphuke bekhande ama-profile abo limit as much as they're doing very well ama-awards aseseyincusa they need those awards omenzi noma kukhona asekutholile bayadinga ukuthi bethole as much as inkosi amagcikama nayo iwawinile ama-awards yona I'm sure isi-right with no gatsheni but labantu abezayo yabo kusekhona umshini wemali kusekhona ushanga kusekhona ukukhuthuza yabo abaningi khona futhi lo mafikizolo who's doing absolutely amazing online so asikwazi ukuthi ingqola zila abafana nabo abasafuna ukuthi bevele beduveze ikhanda abasakwazi no you can't have that kind of situation akwazi ungangeneli nje yonke into le nto leyo nje izokumoshela izokubangela nje inkinga isikhathi eside you won't be happy uyogcina usajabula you feel like everybody's attacking you why is everybody against me no one is against you strategize uplan ukuthi this is what I want to do this is what I want to achieve imaphi imncintiswano nama-awards engizowangenela usubmit sazi ukuthi ungenelile abantu bevote njalo lama-awards laphana ayeka Castle Mixstart DStv that was a great award you won against aka I was happy to vote for you by that time because wakuvotwa ngala amavote ayi-100 ungena nje online utype kule link yakhona ikuvulele ukuthi hayi pressala kwakumnandi into enjengalezo zi-right other than that nje yonke into ayikho right akukho kube wrong mhlawumbe ngenkulumo kamfowabo Mshizana bekukwenza nje i-point of reference not ukuthi sengixeka yena ukuthi hayi wrong no akekho wrong mina mjabuseni into abantu abaningi abasabayo ukuyisho ngoba bayazi ukuthi hayi mangasho iqhawe ngeself mhlawumbe iqhawe ngangishikela iqiniso lamkhulula umuntu bafowethu iqiniso nje uyophila nje ube right vele wakhuluma iqiniso uzomawethu usale stikeni akekho vele umuntu ozokusupport truth will make you free simple as that as much as ngokuthanda umsebenzi wakho uzana ngo-appreciate yonke into ayenzayo but we can't have a situation lapho yena azoyibeka kwi-danger position no we can't so into enjengokhuphuka nezakho as much as uyongenela akudedele abantu basekhona onjoke basekho baningi abacula phana abawine lento okungena kwabalandeli abaningi. You don't need it. I'm telling you, awusasidingi lezo zinto lezo. Accept iprofile yakho ukuthi usuphezulu somculi onamandla. Hlale sithi uSK ungaphezulu kwakhe. Sekumele uprove ukuthi ungaphezulu kwakhe by not involving yourself in certain things because of your profile. So injalo bafethu naningenza kwethu ngibonga kakhulu bekuyilokho nje ukufuna ukudlulisa kule video. Sibonga abantu abasubscribe abalikeayo abacommentayo abashare ama video. Thank you very much. Kune thanks button esinayo manje la ekhaya. Hopefully abantu ngelinye ilanga bazoyisebenzisa bedonate abakudonatayo. We are still a small channel, we are still growing. Hopefully one day channel izomova iye phambili kube khona esikwenzayo. If ikhula kunezinto ezenzakalayo, we'll come back and inform you ukuthi yini esesizoyenza because njengamanje we are just doing videos for you, short videos, ama live here and there. Ayikho straightforward ukuthi umuntu wenzani. Usa enjoy umuntu kwenza content ayenzele nina because niyayibuka makes me happy. I enjoy doing this thing bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba. Salahle.